Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about human skeleton system. Sir, see, there is a earthworm in your garden. Does they have bones in their body?
No, they doesn't have bones. They are tube-like structure and made up of muscles. So let's learn about human skeleton system. Human skeleton system consists of bones, connective tissue, including cartilage, tendons, ligaments. There are 206 bones present in an adult human body. A fully grown adult features 26 bones in the spine, whereas a child can have 34. Cervical vertebrate 7 bones. Thoracic vertebrate 12 bones. Lumbar vertebrate 5 bones. Sacrum 5 bones at birth, fused into one after adolescence. Coccygeal vertebrate set of 4 bones at birth, some or all fused together, but there seems to be a disagreement between researchers as to what the most common number should be. There are 25 bones in the chest. The chest contains cartilage for the lungs to fill with air. Sternum 1 or 3 bones. Closing parenthesis. Ribs 24 in 12 pairs. Cervical ribs are extra ribs that occur in some people. There are 23 bones in the skull. Including the bones of the middle ear and the echioid bone, the head contains 29 bones. Cranial bones 8. Occipital bone. Parietal bones 2. Frontal bone. Temporal bones 2. Sphenoid bone, sometimes counted as facial. Ethmoid bone, sometimes counted as facial. Facial bones 15. Nasal bones 2. Maxillary upper jaw 2. Lacrimal bone 2. Zygomatic bone, cheek bones 2. Palatine bone 2. Inferior nasal concha 2. Vomer 1. Hyoid bone 1. Mandible 1. There are a total of 64 bones in the arms, 32 in each arm. Upper arm bones, 6 bones in total, 3 on each side. Humerus 2. Pectoral girdle, shoulder. Scapula 2. Clavicle 2. Lower arm bones, 4 bones in total, 2 on each side, left bone. Ulna 2. Radius 2. Hand, 54 bones in total, 27 in each hand. Carpals. Scaphoid bone 2. Lunate bone 2. Triquetral bone 2. Pisiform bone 2. Trapezium 2. Trapezoid bone 2. Capitate bone 2. Hamate bone 2. Metacarpals 10 bones in total, 5 on each side. Phalanges of the hand. Proximal phalange. The pelvis or hip bone is made up of 3 regions that have fused to form 2 coxal bones. They are the ilium, ischium, and pubis. The sacrum and coccyx attach to the 2 hip bones to form the pelvis, but are more important to the spinal column, where they are counted. The pelvis is one of 2 bones used to determine the sex of a skeleton, which is determined by examining the size of 60 bones in the legs. Femur 2. Patella or kneecap 2. Tibia 2. Fibula 2. Foot 52 bones in total, 26 per foot. Tarsus tarsals. Calcaneus or heel bone 2. Talus 2. Navicular bone 2. Medial cuneiform bone 2. Intermediate cuneiform bone 2. Lateral cuneiform bone 2. Cuboid. A joint is the part of the body where 2 or more bones meet to allow movement. Every bone in the body, except for the echioid bone in the throat, meets up with at least one other bone at a joint. The shape of a joint depends on its function. A joint is also known as an articulation. Type of joints. Ball and socket joints. Pivotal joint. Hinge joints. Fixed joints. Ball and socket joint. A ball and socket joint is a movable joint where one bone is hooked into the hollow space of another bone. It allows movement in all directions. It is present in shoulder joints and hip joints. Pivotal joint. The joint where our neck joins the head is a pivotal joint. It allows us to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to our right or left. Hinge joint. A hinge joint is a type of synovial joint that exists in the body and serves to allow motion primarily in one plane. The hinge joint is made up of 2 or more bones with articular surfaces that are covered by hyaline cartilage and lubricated by synovial fluid. Fixed joints. The joints in which bones cannot move or bend are called immovable or fixed joints. Examples include skull bones, teeth in sockets of jaw, etc. Now you understand about our skeleton system.
Yes, sir.